Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a black background transparent on your Instagram story. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to make the black background transparent, I just going to show in this video how to make on the Instagram story. So you just want to click on this plus symbol and just click on this add story option. Now you just need to add anything to the story. For an example, I just going to add this option. Click on the three dot option and click on the draw option here. Now you just need to click on this three dot option and just want to choose marker. Then click on this black color on the bottom. Just long press on the screen, which you can see make a dark black transparent background. You can see now my my fan emote is here as showing. You can also do like just erase the to highlight the remote. You just want to click on this eraser option. Just you can just do like this. So this is another way, and also I just going to show in another image so you can understand. So I can also do with this option. Just click on this draw option. Just want to click on this black color, just change to the marker. Just long press on the screen. You can just make this option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.